This is Skippy Peanut Butter. In an emergency, like when the ends of the earth come together or stock market crashes or something like that, get several flat tires in one day, a check doesn't come in, you can come up with all kinds of excuses to have a peanut butter bread. Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio. I love peanut butter breads with bananas. So peanut butter bread on this whole wheat bread gonna be vegan. But this banana makes it a little better to eat than if it wasn't there. A little bit healthier is what I guess is what I'm saying. Just lay it all over the top of it, put a little bit of foundation, and then this makes a nice little snack. And this one's for me, and this one's for my wife, who does not appreciate bananas all over peanut butter. A delicious banana top peanut butter on a whole wheat bread. The perfect snack, but delicious. It's the middle of the afternoon and all you can think about is nuts. You can make yourself a delicious Skippy peanut butter sandwich. But you could eat pistachios. Mouthful and delicious pistachios, a little green on the inside. These are salted. So there's another one you could do. All nuts are allowed when you're vegan. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.